as well. You have park sensors at the bottom of this one, as well as your backup camera. Now we're gonna check out the front. At the front of this one, you have your black leather seats. They are heated and cooled. You also have a heated wheel on this one. A ton of storage all throughout. You have some cup holders in there, some storage USBs, as well as your glove box. This one has a touchscreen that comes equipped with your navigation. On the steering wheel itself, you're going to have your hands-free and your cruise controls. This one has a sunroof as well as your universal garage door opener. Now we're going to check out the back. You're going to have heated rears in the back of this one, as well as some storage in your seat pockets. This one also comes with your 2 DVD players. These seats do fold down and then up for some extra legroom for your passengers, and then your back seats do fold back as well. If you want to make this yours, you can give us a call, 780-942-3629.